Yeah, we're down in Rattleston, which is in Suffolk. Yeah, we've got a John Deere tractor here. It's a 6150R, 150 horse, I imagine, with this 6-fire reversible plough. Yeah, he's ploughing in wheat stubble here. In the ground about a foot, it looks like it, but it's quite cloddy. So the ground's still very dry under there. Yeah, still very dusty. That ground, all the rain we've had, it's only got down there no more than 1 inch to 2. So he's ploughing about a foot deep, no more. Yeah, the tractor was a 2015 year, so like that, 6 to 7 years old. Yeah, we're down in Rattleston, which is in Suffolk. We've got this big John Deere here, which is breaking the land down for drilling, and that's the 8RX 370. Or 22. It's a 70 plate, so that's not very old at all. That's a very tall machine, I'll tell you that. Yeah, still very dusty here even, despite all the rain we had. It's clogging up in there.